now, Purva, talk to us about how the politics, in fact, is playing out in this matter. The Chief Minister himself has spoken about it. In this entire case, the BRS and the BJP is going after Revanth Reddy for saying that this is a case of misplaced priorities. At the end of the day, this isn't something that the government should be prioritizing. There are more issues to be looked into. So, if this isn't political vendetta, then what is?
It's big. The entire case of Sandhya Theatres started with the investigation that had been taken up by the Chikkarpalli police, an FIR that had been filed by the family there after the death of Revathi and her son being treated at the hospital. That entire case seems to have taken a turn when Allu Arjun had been picked up from his residence, had been arrested, and he had been taken to the court there, and he had been granted interim bail by the Telangana High Court. In fact, Chikkarpalli police station, this is the very place where Allu Arjun is right now. In fact, as you can see, several police have been deployed here to ensure there is no law and order situation. Allu Arjun, his father and his legal team have gone inside. One side, you see the BRS there claiming that after the attack that took place outside his residence just 2 days back, it seems to be like the hand of Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, because they put out a photograph of one of the main accused there with Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and they said that one of these accused there was in fact Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's close aides, and that he was also working youth president for the Congress there from none other than the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's constituency here in Kodangal. And on the other side, you see the Congress there who are refuting these claims, and the Congress also going on and telling that not only is that there will be proper procedure and protocol that will be followed, but that these are nothing but fake images that are coming out, but in fact that one of those said accused was in fact close with the working president of the BRS, KT Ramarao, and hinted at KT Ramarao being instigating these attacks. So it looks like a brickbat to words between the BRS, the BJP and the Congress there, but at the end of it, what needs to be seen is that the investigation proceeds on smoothly, and that's what we are seeing today. Second notice that had been sent to Allu Arjun not only had been received by him, but he and his legal team also arrived here at Chikkarpalli, where he is seen entering inside. He will be taken in for questioning as well, and looks like his legal team had also prepped him late into last night, as we saw the team coming here and prepping him at his residence as well.
All right, Apurva, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Thanking you for joining in with those details on that big story. A series of reactions also coming in. Let's take a listen.
हम सब बाउंसर्स को कह रहे हैं, उनको वार्निंग दे रहे हैं कि आज से आप ये बदतमीजी से अगर पुलिस ऑफिसर या पुलिस जो भी है ड्यूटी पर उनसे बदतमीजी से पेश आएंगे तो इतनी सख्ती से हम कार्रवाई करेंगे, कानूनी कार्रवाई, कि आपको याद रह जाएगी। और ये भी कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो भी वीआईपी है, अगर उनके बाउंसर्स का व्यवहार जो है, का बिहेवियर जो है, वो उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, वो वीआईपी की जिम्मेदारी है। वाइकेरियस लायबिलिटी जो है वो वीआईपी पर ही आया।
I just want to say that 3 years of my life I've put into this film, and it means everything to me, and I went to see this movie in the theatre, and I've been to the same theatre 20-30 times in my life before, and there is also information that I've been very irresponsible going to the theatre without any permission, which is not true at all. The theatre has sought permission, and I've been there, and right in front of my eyes there's police people who are clearing the way, so I was going by their direction. In fact, if there's no permission, they'll tell us that, sir, we don't have permission, please return back, and I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I would have followed that. So nothing of that information was given to me, so I was following as per their guidance, and we went inside, and there was a lot of crowd, and it is no road show, it is no procession, it's just crowd outside the theatre, right outside the theatre, just a couple of maybe meters and yards outside the theatre. I just wave my hands because that's the respect when hundreds of people come to see you. It's my basic respect that I wave my hands.
We're extremely sorry for the family, and I will personally be there to support them in whatever way possible. It's purely accidental. Cinema theatre, I'm inside a cinema theatre watching a film with my family, and an accident happened outside, I was inside a theatre watching a movie with my family, and the accident happened outside. It's purely of no direct connection to me. It's purely accidental, purely unintentional, and my love and sympathies are genuinely there with that family, and I'll be there to support them in whatever way possible.
Alright, responses there from Allu Arjun previously, wherein he said that he had informed all the movie makers, those in charge had informed Sandhya Theatre, and that he did not behave irresponsibly as is being spoken about. He's defended himself, saying that there was no irresponsibility on his part. We have more reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
We are nowhere connected with that incident. CM, Chief Minister, has ordered for stringent action against those who have attacked Allu Arjun's house. Law and order will take its course of action on all equally.
कौन आइडिया दिया भगवान को मालूम अल्लू अर्जुन को वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लगा कि मेरे को हट हुआ उन्होंने बोलने कई का मरे से लोगों का हट नहीं होता है क्या जिसकी माँ मर गई जिसका बेटा हॉस्पिटल में तो वो फैमिली क्या रहेगा इसका ऊपर से अभी रोज एक नया लॉ एंड ऑर्डर नहीं है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के दुश्मनी ले रहा और एक तरफ बीआरएस वाले एक तरफ बीजेपी वाले अरे बीजेपी वाले यहाँ बात कर रहे मणिपुर में जाके देखो क्या हालत है
BRS and BJP have single agenda. Whatever it is, whatever the incident happened, post December 4th in regard to Pushpa 2, they want to blame the Congress party. Our Chief Minister is clear. We have no grudge against the industry. We have no grudge against the actor, neither their film. We are the ones who have promoted that movie by giving more price because they felt that, they spend a lot of money on the movie before it releases. For few months and months they have taken to reshoots and it has been expensive money for them. We try to help them out. Our Chief Minister or our government is only telling that the responsibility of the actor, if he would have been more responsible, the stampede incident which happened in the Sandhya Theatre on December 4th would have not happened.
And it's the Telangana police versus Allu Arjun as far as their arguments is concerned. Now, what is being said by the cops here? They claim that Allu Arjun asked to leave the theatre after the stampede, that he was asked to exit quickly when they got to know that there is a stampede and a person has died. Allu Arjun has said that no officer informed them of this stampede. Nothing like that happened. Also, the cops say that Allu did not exit immediately when he was asked to. Never refused to exit the theatre is what Allu Arjun has said, again in his defence. Now the cops are saying he wanted to leave only after the movie ended. Remember, it was the premiere of Pushpa 2 in Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad. Allu Arjun has said wasn't informed of any stampede or death. I had no idea is what Allu Arjun has said in his defence. The cops are now saying the bouncers pushed the fans and the cops and that's what led to the chaos. Here, Allu Arjun says, bid to assassinate my character, nothing like that happened. In fact, India Today's Rahul Kanwal also spoke to Revant Reddy, a Chief Minister of Telangana, on Aaj Tak agenda event about the arrest of Allu Arjun shortly after Allu Arjun was first arrested. Let's take a listen to what he had said at that point in time.
तेलुगु सुपरस्टार अल्लू अर्जुन का अरेस्ट और जब उनका केस बेल के लिए आता है तो आपके पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर कहते हैं कि नहीं भाई इनको बेल नहीं देना है. यहां पर बैठे तमाम लोग पुष्पा 2 तो सुपरहिट है और जो तमाम लोग इस वक्त आपको हैदराबाद में तेलंगाना में देश भर में देख रहे हैं वो जानना चाहते हैं मुख्यमंत्री जी आपकी पुलिस ये क्या कर रही है और क्यों.
राहुल मुझे समझ में नहीं आया अगर वो बात अब चर्चा करने से पहले इस देश में सलमान खान संजय दत्त क्यों अरेस्ट हुआ है. मतलब इस देश में आम आदमी से लेकर प्रधानमंत्री तक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज वन एंड द सेम. डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जी ने जो संविधान दिया हुआ है सबके लिए एक ही तरह रूल एंड रिदम है. तो जो पुष्पा 2 रिलीज में पहला दिन बेनिफिट शो जो हमें परमिशन दिया हुआ है कि 300 रुपये टिकट का 1300 बेनिफिट शो बने. बेनिफिट शो में जनता बहुत थे. वो बेनिफिट शो में विदाउट एनी इंटीमेशन इंफॉर्मेशन और जो सही तरीक़ा से वहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं था अल्लू अर्जुन ने वहाँ पर गए, वहाँ पर पूरा मारम धक्का हो गए, वुमेन डेथ हो गई। उनके बेटा आज भी हॉस्पिटल में अभी 13 दिन से जीवन मरण समस्या से लड़ रहा है। तो वहाँ पर पुलिस ने ये रैपिड के बारे में क्रिमिनल केस बुक किए, थिएटर वाले, मैनेजमेंट वाले सबको अरेस्ट किए। 10 दिन के बाद अल्लू अर्जुन को भी पुलिस जाके मिले, वहीं से अल्लू अर्जुन खुद चलकर पुलिस स्टेशन को आए, तब पुलिस वाले कोर्ट के सामने उनको पेश किए, तो कोर्ट ने उनको बेल दिया, वो बात अलग है। मतलब यहाँ पर जहाँ पर लोग जनता के जान चले गए, जनता के जान चले जाने के बाद भी हम केस कुछ भी नहीं लगाए तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? सिनेमा एक्टर के लिए, फिल्म स्टार के लिए एक नया संविधान कोई कुछ बनाया, आम जनता अगर वैसे किए तो आप एक ही दिन में जेल में डाल देते, तो ऐसा चर्चा आ जाएंगे। तो हमारे लिए, सरकार के लिए क्राइम हुआ नहीं हुआ, उनकी जिम्मेदारी कौन है, इतना ही है।